Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we see how to fix TBH Task Bar Hero not dropping chats bugs. So, to fix this, just check this video. So, guys, let's start. First, you run the inventory syncs. You follow these steps to sync your inventory and remove missing or the stuck item. For this, first of all, you go to the game settings, click on the option of other tab and click on the option of stream inventory issue resolved. Then confirm the action. Okay, here you can check this. Okay, then guys, claim and restart. Go to your mail tab and wait for roughly 10 seconds for the refresh button to appear. When the refresh button is appear, you completely clear your mailbox or all cheats that showing by claiming and opening them. Crucial step, close the game completely. Okay, second thing is guys, you reopen the game, open your mailbox, refresh and open a new cheats that pops into your queue. Keep repeating this process, just quit, open, refresh, claim until no cheats are left in the mail. It may require multiple restart as cheats often unclog in the batch of choose. Okay, so guys, here this is the buttons that you can refresh, claim, refresh, claim. Okay, quit, open, refresh, claim. So this is the process. Important, patience is the key. Inventory issue can take multiple syncs to fully resolve, so keep repeating the process until your mailbox is empty. Once complete, your inventory should be fully synced with your Steam. Okay, next thing is guys, you restart your taskbar hero. So if the game is not working properly and lagging or the stucking, so you follow these steps to restart your game and your taskbar. For restarting, first of all, simply right click your game taskbar hero icon button and click the option of exit. Make sure that is not running in your background also. Okay, for this simply find this button and this icon in your PC, then click the option of exit. Okay, and you also use the option task manager by pressing Ctrl Shift escape button, and guys, here you get this options. After that, click the option of end task when you find your game. Okay, then guys, simply restart your browser. For restarting the browser, you simply click the option of power button and restart your browser. After that, launch your taskbar hero game. After your computer restart, then completely launch your game and start automatically. Okay, then check for the update. So make sure that your window is up to date. Okay, just right click on check for the update and verify everything is working. Okay, still having the issue, so you also go for the contact support page and reinstall your game. Another thing is guys, verify your game file integrity. So guys, to verify your game file integrity, you open your Steam, then go for taskbar heroes, then guys go for manage, then select the properties. Here you go. After that, you simply go for installed file integrity, where you find the option of verify integrity of the game files. After that guys, you simply go for verify integrity of the game files and click, then wait for the process to complete. Okay, when the process is complete, then guys, you launch the game and you just check the problem is resolved or not. Okay, then guys, you move to the another step, which is update your game and graphic driver. So guys, keep your game and graphic drivers up to date. For updating, open your game launcher, go to the library, check for the update and verify the update completely and enable guys auto update. After that, how you update your graphic card? First, you identify your graphic card. Okay, then visit the official website, download the latest version, install and restart your PC. Okay, so guys, the last thing and the last fix is run taskbar hero as administrator. For this guys, first of all, you simply open your game location. open your game location library, click first choose your game, then go for manage and browse local files. When you find your files, here you see the option of like your game heroes.taskhero.exe. Then go for the option of properties. In the properties section guys, here you find the option of run the program as the administrator. So you just marked and OK, and then guys click the option of run this program as an administrator. Okay, so these are the things that guys you can try to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.